I know, I notice say I be bad person. Oh yeah, 50,000, 100,000. If you don't give me my money, you go shop your accounts. On a day there, you say no talk. You may not be like say, Peller, these people they get power pass me for real life. Now when me I feel catch them, I feel catch them so now so life it be.
Guys, welcome to Fineless Boy YouTube
But how you
channel.
go
Please
fry
don't
am,
forget
you go
to
be like
subscribe,
go
like, comments,
metete.
and share my
No.
videos.
You don't go. Now 5 days you go there, 1 week. I swear to God. But me too, I'm traveling to Ghana on Thursday. Me, I don't tire. I don't tire. Now she lets me know say this like a boring well.
Because she's the only friend. She's the only friend.
She be my only family for Lekki.
Yes.
She be my only family. Me, I don't get any family for Lekki. Me, I'm seeing every day.
Chai. She dey work now. She'll be home soon. But
I'm not feeling fine. I don't feel fine you. I seriously.
now because they miss her. That make you know they feel fine.
I don't weak. I weak. I weak well. How far? Just the plate on.
You don't chop.
I swear.
What have you eaten?
Now only that pizza I eat. I eat that pizza and ice cream. The thing just as
I can tell. I can tell from the way you feel lonely. Now in the morning you call they feel more. Child. And because you know they do
that time as I play ball finish like this. That time I play ball finish like this. I come back. I can't carry my key. I don't enter car finish. I want to go inside. I can't just remember say this person no there. They mad. We see the world with dog.
You don't get say she don't go. She don't.
I swear to God.
No, you know
Peller, sorry.
I don't remember say don't come out. So I can't carry my.
You can't come back to us.
I go. I know they online you like this week like that. That Thursday I think on Saturday the day online. But I don't go.
Yeah, but you don't do your.
Now,
you go Ghana. You go live now. Abi, you go live for Ghana now. You no go do your account. You go live for Ghana. You no go do your account.
But now for YouTube, I want stream am.
Oh, YouTube. Okay. You not tell people.
Where did he go? He go Sierra Leone.
Sierra Leone.
I don't go Sierra Leone before now. That country, yeah. But where they go put my baby and they talk say na VIP. They don't put some that place where else we go. Where we say big power below Buruku. All guy killed us. You know if it's stop it, no if stop it that food. I swear to God. They give her. They talk say na VIP. They go give her.
And that's where we go. VIP. Hotel, everything VIP.
Oyinbo dey that place. Oyinbo you come they come the dance. Now one big artist he carry me go that time. Oh Lord.
You too, you go Ghana. When you go Ghana, Peller, you said Ghana they get big things for there. Open your eye, you make you focus. So, because she said they
can you see now you are teaching me past something. Why go they tell me say Ghana they get big nyash? Make me I call
that nyash now. I say big things. I not just say I say big things. I call yash.
You tell me big things. You see me, you know say big things. Na yash.
I not just say yash. I just say yash. I call yash. Big things will be car. If it be house.
Oh yeah, that one wey sing say baby team like nya. You know what see this? Because say me I open my eyes.
Una two day outside country. Make una 2 day focus on each other. She dey Sierra Leone. You dey go Ghana. If anybody misbehave, now I know more na focus. So.
Now she go misbehave now. Make me behave first. Now I go see any man wey go dey snap. Jarvis make go pull hand in his neck. That man he go collect. When say that this time when say body dey pepper me. Make nobody go whine me. I don't tell you. Sierra Leone. If you want to snap picture with her as a boy, you don't need to touch before you win. You just have to put your hand in your back and snap your picture. If you touch, we will touch you. I'm confirmed. I don't tell you. Okay. Because I go just say,
you don't talk your own. Oh yeah, you don't talk your own. You don't talk your own. What about when you go your Ghana? What do you go do?
Maybe man.
Not try.
No, Jarvis is not sharp. Me I sharp well. One woman go want touch me, I go not look you like this. Already the woman fine. You no fine, eh? What's wrong with you?
Peller, you no go touch anything. You go put your hand like this for your back if you want take picture. Okay? You behave like Messi. Put your hand for back.
No, like say they arrest me now.
You go apply that same energy for you too. Now, not be you wise pass.
No, Joy. Sandra, no, be putting Martin, what you know concern you.
Are you married? And you said,
no, you know concern you. Okay,
not concern you. So you said, not leave her, make she enjoy herself too.
No, me, I'm not doing bad thing.
You're not doing bad thing.
I swear to God, I'm not going to do bad. Me, I sabi myself myself, and that guy, no worry. I'm focused on my career. When I get there, I'm gonna do like.
Okay, what will you do now? What will you do now? What will you do now if you see a big
Ghana? I want to see their Ankara. I'll go Ankara.
Accra.
Get one where they come for me. That one a village like this. One person when I go to South Africa, I don't do Ghana. When I go Ghana, I don't do Ghana. The day I say I go South Africa.
South Africa, like, come out your phone from your mouthpiece. Come out your phone from your mouthpiece.
No, I use something block harmony.
Where you go South Africa? South Africa on vacation now.
South Africa na vacation, we go enjoy this or that. This one na work.
You go work, yes, now work. So you busy places where they love me for Ghana.
I miss my people so much. I don't come live all the days.
They miss you too.
And I just started doing it because I did not come live on TikTok throughout this week. He says,
your parents go cry you.
They don't go cry. Why they go cry?
They'll go meet you. Bless you, they stream for YouTube where?
I go stream for YouTube now.
Now good now.
I go do enter 10 million. I go maybe next week I go enter 10 million. What's a long turn?
I see about 10 million. I swear.
My they told me I swear. I'm not feeling fine.
Hey, yeah, because of Jarvis. Eat here. Eat food.
Oh, yeah, nah.
All right, take care.
Because this suppose they happy you. You see, person where they help your life, they happy, the time calm like your God. I swear to God. You see, before I get this thing, on boys can't dim me. They do the home just out to Jojo. It go far. That is, I mean, I don't miss my baby. My baby would not get my baby. They get that of me. Was it Jarvis? Do you want anything? Do you want anything? I go finish you. And I may also before I see you.
When I see this Olori Buruku, which one is my baby is gone? I die. You know, we say, oh, my baby has traveled. Well, please, sir, don't send me to my early grave. It's not yet time. Then my baby is gone. I'm missing her, and I die. I miss you too. But this gone is reading something else. It's reading death sentence. Ejo. Correct it or delete it ASAP.
We'll start from the beginning because
Film the goat.
Babe, stop. We bet in a race.
Film the goat.
Stop! Bobo, babe, if I miss her. Babe, are you crazy? Please, I love you. Are you mad? Go, yeah.